The human body is a remarkable creation, made up of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to make life possible. The complexity of the human body makes us wonder if there is a greater creator. Let's take a look at the top 10 most interesting facts about the human body you didn't know. Do you know that you are taller in the morning? This is a result of the constant pressure that joints are subjected to throughout the course of the day. As you go about your regular activities, this pressure causes the cartilage in your spine to compress only fractions of an inch, which is enough to push everything down. As you sleep, the pressure on your spinal discs is removed, allowing you to grow back to your full height. The difference in height could be up to an inch. Blood makes up almost 8% of your body weight. The body is capable of replacing a tiny amount of blood that has been lost, which makes blood donation feasible. If a person loses 15% or more of their blood, there is a possibility that they will go into shock. The belly button grows special hair to catch lint. People have reported finding a fuzzy tiny ball of fibers in their navel on occasion. This is referred to as belly button lint by some, while others refer to it as belly button fluff. It was discovered by researchers in 2002 that belly button lint contains a mixture of body hair, skin cells, and clothing threads, according to the Canadian Medical Association Journal. When you have hairs on your belly button, they tend to grow in circular patterns around the belly button, which results in a buildup of lint in that location. How fast does the hair on your body grow? According to the American Academy of Dermatology, the average amount of hair that develops per month is half an inch. The hair on your head grows roughly 6 inches every year on average, which is a significant amount. Bone marrow is the only organ in the body that grows at a greater rate than other organs. A quarter of your bones are in your feet. The human foot contains 52 bones, with 26 bones in each foot. More than a quarter of the bones in your entire body are represented by this figure. Each one also has 33 joints as well as more than 100 muscles, tendons, and ligaments to keep it all together. Do fingerprints actually improve your grip like many suggest? Many experts believe humans have fingerprints to strengthen our grip, but a recent British study says differently. The ridges on a fingerprint make it tougher to retain flat, smooth surfaces like plexiglass, according to researchers, because they restricted the skin's contact area. Instead, they believe that our prints may aid in the wicking of moisture away from our fingertips or allow our skin to stretch more freely, protecting it from injury and preventing blisters. Fingerprints, according to some experts, could help us improve our sense of touch. There are no muscles in your fingers. Another fact is that there are no muscles in your fingers. Throughout the day, your fingers perform a wide range of critical functions, from opening jars to unlocking doors. Your fingers aren't responsible for such incredible feats of strength, though. A large amount of the movement in your fingers is due to the tendons and bones in your hands, with a lot of assistance from the muscles in your palms and at the base of each individual finger. The tongue is the only muscle that doesn't join two bones. With the exception of your tongue, every muscle in the human body is connected to bones on both ends, allowing it to pull and create motion. The tongue consists of 8 different muscles to perform full function of the tongue. The end of the tongue is attached to your hyoid bone, which is a part of your neck. Your body posture affects your memory. The next fact is that your body positioning affects your memory. Having improper posture is causing more than just back pain. Sitting and looking downward makes it easier to recall bad memories, while sitting upright and gazing upward makes it easier to recall positive, empowering memories, according to a 2012 study published in Biofeedback. You cannot tickle yourself. The last bizarre fact about our bodies is that we cannot tickle ourselves. When you try to tickle yourself, your cerebellum, the area in the back of your brain that monitors movement, predicts the feeling you will feel, counteracting the response that the tickle might otherwise evoke in other parts of your brain. The somatosensory cortex and the anterior cingulate cortex are 2 separate areas of your brain that are responsible for giving you that ticklish sensation. According to a study conducted at University College London's Institute of Cognitive Neuroscience. Both of these regions are less active when you tickle yourself than when you tickle someone else, which helps to explain why tickling oneself doesn't feel tickly or nice. That's all for today's video. Let us know which of these facts amazed you the most in the comment section below.